Jain sir, myself Ritesh Chira. I am here with my friend Samraddin Tadui. This is the model of application of trigonometry. So with this model, we should calculate the height of any objects from us. The distance of the house from me is 20 centimeter. The distance from the tower to me is 32 centimeter, and the distance from tree to me is 25 centimeter. So first of all, we will calculate the height of this building from us. So with the help of tan theta. So the functions of trigonometry are sine, cos and tan. So for tan theta. So we will now calculate the height of the building from us. Now I place this to it. I will point a laser towards it and show you angle. So see, this is the 60-degree angle. So with this, the help of 60-degree angle, we should calculate the height of this building. Now we will calculate. We will do the calculation.
Tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side is equal to height upon base. Here theta is equal to 60 degree for house. Tan 60 degree is equal to height upon 20 centimeter. The value of tan 60 degree is equal to under root 3. Height upon 20 centimeter. Therefore under root 3 into 20 centimeter is equal to height. Height is 34.6 centimeter.
So now we have been calculated the height of the building. So the height of the building is 34.6 centimeter from me of the distance 20 centimeter. Now the distance from the tree we should have to calculate. Here is sitting one bird. So we should calculate the distance of that bird towards us by the height. Now we will point. So the bird sitting in the direction of 45-degree angle. So this is the 45-degree angle. Now we will calculate the height of the bird from us on the distance 25 centimeter.
Here theta is equal to 45 degree for tree. Tan 45 degree is equal to height upon base. The value of tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Therefore height upon 25 centimeter. The height is 25 centimeter.
So the height of the tree from us is 25 centimeter. Thank you and happy National Mathematics Day.